So we wanted to show you what we've already done and catch you up where we're at.
Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian.
If you're new here, great, so are we.
This is our second video on the channel, so if you missed that intro, go back, check it out so you know what to expect.
Including, but not limited to, our conversion of this Chevy Express into a camper van. This is a Chevy Express 2500. It's a 2015. It's a just straight up blank canvas cargo van. We had some friends that were using it as a camper, so we knew that's what we wanted to do with it.
It did not look like this whenever we first got it. None of this kill mat was in here, but it had some other insulation on the sides, and then there was a bed right back here.
So the first thing we did was take it to our favorite local radio shop. We got a new radio installed, so it was going to have CarPlay, Bluetooth, all that good stuff, and so that the GPS is going to be full-sized. A lot of our trips are 15 or so hours, so we also had cruise control put in, and you can't really see it here, but we also had remote start put in. Get that car going really nice and warm before we get in it. We unfortunately got brand new tires and a new battery, and then we also had a new backup camera installed, mainly because I can't back it up, so we got a camera so I could.
And that's how it stayed for about a year while we finished our back porch project, which we absolutely love. But then it was time to get started. So the first thing we did when we really got started was to clean everything out of there. We broke down the bed frame, cleaned out all the insulation that was in there, wiped down all the surfaces to really get it good and clean. Started working on the rust spots that were on the floor with a like a wire brush and a sander, and then used a rust converter spray on those, followed by putting a coat of Rust-Oleum primer over top of that. Lastly, for all the floor preparation, metal surface preparation, we caulked any of the little small holes that were in the floor, because obviously we want this to be insulated and warm when we're trying to heat it, or cool when we're trying to cool it. Then one of the neatest things that we did so far anyways was a swivel seat installation on that seat. Having that swivel seat option was huge because it allows the passenger to stay facing forward while we're driving, but then it gives us a lot more room in the van once we get to where we're going, camping, whichever, because then that passenger seat acts as another seat.
Then probably, I guess, the last inside thing we've done so far is we installed this kill mat, which is a sound deadening material. We're gonna have a whole video on how to install it and how the results are. Does it actually cut down the sound? We really, so far, have been pretty impressed. We're not quite done. We've got a little bit more to do. Before we could finish that, Robbie and our friend also did a little bit of body work. There's a pretty good sized dent here and here. So they knocked that dent out. There were some holes because of that. So got a little Bondo action. A little bit more work to do on that as well.
Coming up next is we're replacing some of the weather stripping around the back. We had a couple of leaks back here. There was some water getting in down here. Don't know exactly where, but you can see how easy that comes off and it's shortened down. So our first step is going to be replacing that one around the whole back door, and then the weather stripping around this cargo door.
Then we're either going to put the insulation and the floor into the rest of the flooring, or we also have to get this Max Fan Deluxe installed. So we have our ventilation in and out, all that good stuff. We're also going to wire the thing up. We have a solar generator right here. This is an EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. So we've got that. We need some solar panel ideas. There's a lot of content to come. And like we said, we want you to come along with us. Share us any information that you have, any suggestions, tips, tricks. We want to hear it all.
Absolutely. We're open to it.
Lots of stuff coming from this cargo van conversion. Hopefully it won't take us too long. You never know. But it's not just going to be this cargo van. There's a lot of other cool stuff that we're going to be testing. We've got the generator. We've got a diesel heater, coolers galore, cooking, solar showers. There's tents, canopies. You never know. We're also going to hopefully check out a few campgrounds, go on a lot of hikes, do a lot of really cool stuff. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. We had a new one every week. Make sure you share it with your friends.
Make sure you share it with your friends.
Like this video. Thanks for watching.